Suddenly, 2 huge mushrooms of yellow smoke enveloped our bunker. I thought it was a gas attack. I was convinced that at any moment our Air Force and our troops would counterattack, and the whole thing would be over.
But the Israeli Air Force could not penetrate the Egyptian missile cover. Those on the front line were stranded.
That's the bunker along from ours. A guy called Max Mammon. That was really terrible. His last words were, "You abandoned us, you betrayed us, God will pay you back." He yelled, "I'm burning, I'm burning." Then he died.
The Egyptians had achieved their objective. They had crossed the canal and held their ground.